Hey guys, so I wanted to try out a new subscription box, and this is not your typical makeup box. This is actually a tea box. So we are going to find out what kind of teas and how much this particular item is and see how well I like it. I did get a monthly, or not a monthly, a tri-monthly subscription, so a 3-month subscription. So let's go into the video and see what I got. Okay, so I got the subscription SipsBy. So it's SipsBy, and it is a tea subscription. So I got the 3-month subscription. I got mine on a discount. It's $37 is what I paid total, and what that does is you pre-order 3 boxes for tea, and in each box you get 3 to 4, I do believe, different varieties of tea, which is approximately 16 cups of tea per box. They also have a new mini box now, which is I think 1 box of tea, or 1 cup of tea. That's what it said anyways. So for mine, I know that I got mine on a discount. I think when you sign up, you might have the option of getting it on a discount, but the monthly subscription is $16. So if you take $16 times 3 months, approximately that will be what you would be paying per month, essentially, unless you have like a discount like I did. So it makes it a little different. So when I divided mine, it was like $12.30, which I think is what I got with the discount. But either way, let's dive in here and see what we get. So you get the little card, kind of like makeup boxes. It gives you the card, little information on each one, and directions of how to make each tea. Inside the box, it comes more or less like this. I did open it and kind of rummage through a little bit. So it looks like you have a reusable tea bag right here, which is kind of nice. And you get these reusable tea bags, not this reusable tea bag. This holds the reusable tea bags. I assume you could use it as a reusable tea bag if you wanted to. But you get these little paper tea bags. That's kind of cool. And you get to fill them up. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, looks like 8 little tea bags you get in there, and you're supposed to be able to reuse them, so that's nice. I would assume you might get them in every box, or you might get something different each time. I'm not sure. Oh, my bad. So this muslin bag, I was right the first time. This muslin bag is the reusable one. The other ones were disposable. Silly me. Alright, so you get 8 disposables and 1 reusable. That makes a lot more sense. Okay, so the first tea right on top is from the brand Yogi. And I think you can buy this brand at Walmart. And each packet, it looks like, also has instructions. So if you lose this guy, don't worry, it's on the back. So this is called their Breathe Deep Support Respiratory Health, and the description for that is going to be organic licorice, eucalyptus leaf, tulsi leaf, ginger root, cinnamon bark, thyme leaf, L-campane root, peppermint leaf, cardamom seed, mullein leaf, not muslin leaf, mullein leaf, and natural licorice flavors, which we kind of covered with the root part. This is a caffeine-free tea. It is comforting herbal, combines licorice and thyme, traditionally used to help support respiratory system, and a soothing aromatic eucalyptus, and warming spices. So this is more or less a more bedtimey kind of tea. If you're having an allergy issue or just an all over don't feel good, this is a good way to help support your breathing and whatnot. So that's something fun to try. This one is called Maple Harvest. It is from the brand Still. Comes in this little bag. These are loose leaf and packaged teas. You have options when you sign up. You can take a test. It'll ask you what kind of tea do you prefer, and you can also answer you don't know. It'll ask you, would you like loose leaf? Would you like bagged tea? Do you want a little bit of both? And so on and so forth. It even asks you what kind of flavor profiles you would like to have or what flavor profiles you don't want to have. So what you can do is you can say all the things that you know for sure that you like. So if you like chocolate, hot spices, green tea, whatever, you can say that you like those things. If you want to try something new, you can add some flavors that you think that you would like. And then if you don't like those, you can go back later once you've already tried those and adjust your quiz. So you can retake the quiz as many times as you want until you get the right blend of all the different teas. And you can also go into the shop. So say for example you liked one tea, but you didn't like the other teas that you got. So you can go back and buy that tea and you can get a full container of it. So this is going to be an oolong style tea for the Maple Harvest, and that one has apple, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, safflower, petals, and maple cream flavors is what you're going to get. So I think the other one, when it says natural licorice flavor, I think that was just the overall flavor of the tea. But this one is supposed to have maple and a cream flavor style to it. So can't smell through the bag, but I'm sure it's going to smell lovely. Okay, the next one is called Monsoon Tea. So like the weather, monsoon. And this one is a black tea, and it is forest friendly. I think it may be the brand. I'm not sure. That's what it looks like. I can look on the website again later, but you just type in Monsoon Blend Black and then it would come up on their website. So this one's going to have dried ginger, rose flower, and peach and jasmine. So that's what this one is. It's more of a fruity tea. So I picked things like warming spices and sweet things and fruit flavored. So I got me one of the fruit flavored teas, and it's pretty full. It's all the way up here. So that's nice. Nope, can't smell through that one either. And this is also a caffeine tea. I think the maple one is the highest. No, this is the highest level of caffeine. The monsoon tea. Okay. Oh, yeah. Sorry. The brands are on here. It is from Monsoon Teas. Okay, then we have the Chico Chai. So I'm assuming this is a chocolate chai tea. Yes, that's what that says. Alright, and the flavor profile is a little vague on the packaging. So it says a fair trade organic asthma tea. It's ASSAM, so however you pronounce that. Let's see, cocoa powder, cocoa nibs, cocoa shells, organic nutmeg, cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, black pepper, orange peel, star anise, and clove. Those are all of the things that are in here. So you're definitely going to have a chocolate flavor. You're going to have a warm kind of spice flavor to it. And you're going to have kind of a malty taste to it. So if you don't know what a malty taste is, you can get malt balls, which are usually those little plastic, little chocolate, or sometimes they have strawberry flavored or vanilla flavored Whopper balls, and or you can get malt powder. Usually use those in like milkshakes and stuff like that. That's what it's gonna taste like. It's really good. I haven't tried this, but that flavor is really good. So yeah, these are loose, so you can use these types of teas in those cute little dangly things that you put into your cups. Some of them are like little characters, some of them are just shapes. But that is all the tea that I have in my little box. So I think for the tea that I got, so far I like it. It did take a while to get here, and I'm not sure if that's normal or if it was just because I kind of bought it in the middle of November and it was a December order, so it is what it is. But hopefully I like all these teas. I will keep you guys updated on that, and I will show you guys all the different teas on my Instagram once I make them. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!